Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today we are unboxing the April 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Primrose Garden. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, y'all welcome back. Y'all know it's about to go down in here. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this kit, stay tuned. Okay, so if you are a newbie here, when I do unboxings of kits, I typically will go in the order of the menu card. This is the menu card for the month. It just says keep going, keep growing, with the beautiful florals and the bee from Primrose. The Primrose Corner. I was getting ready to butcher her whole company name. I'd never heard of the Primrose Corner before this collab with VillaBeauTIFFul. I fully intend to check out their website. If you're interested in checking out what they have in their shop, check for a link below. So here we have a look inside your April VB kit. I'm going to sit this up here and just go down the list of what's here. So first things first is we have a slim hardcover notebook. Thank you. Slim hardcover notebook and a clear cover. Y'all, it's been a while since we've had one of these. I believe last March or April, Tiffany released the, do I have it here? I do. No, it was May. This was released. I had it right there, right there. She released this soft faux leather cover. I can't open it up and show you what's inside because it's not VillaBeauTIFFul. Boom. We'll do that on another day. But to think that, y'all, now we get another cover and the guts. So it just has this denim. I know it's coming up really funky on my camera because it looks weird to me, but we have this dot grid notebook. This is about a week size, yeah. And we have this light blue satin string here. And then if we can figure out how to get it open, we got the clear cover for the item. So it does have the flows from the kit. Get off of there. On the outside, and you have to make sure you get it set up so that you can get it in here correctly. So you take your back cover and you stick it in the pocket, and then you take the front cover and you do the same. And y'all, you need to see this. This notebook belongs to and has this floral down here. So this is kind of the tough part, and I don't know how y'all be doing it without bending stuff up, but Lord, there you go. See, that wasn't so hard. And then you close it up. That is so pretty, y'all, isn't it? And that's cute as a purse planner to go. I did the week system for a little bit. It wasn't for me. This is not enough space for all of the things that I need to plan. So, y'all, this is cute. So this is the slim hardcover notebook and clear cover. The next item on the list is the DIY Bookmark Charm. And I can already tell this is super pretty. So this is, I believe, the second, maybe the third charm I've gotten since I've been, I don't want to say subscribed, but getting VillaBeauTIFFul kits since I discovered VillaBeauTIFFul. So you get the charms, and it's literally DIY because there are millions of ways for you to set this up. I'm not even going to attempt to because I want to do some research on what I want to do and the best way to do it so that it fits in my A5. But I want you guys to see these charms because they're super pretty. So we have that floral there with the gold accent inside of it, and you have the designs down here with the leaf, and you've got the pink and the purple, and it's so pretty. Let's get closer. Get closer. Y'all, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then we have the queen bee, okay? Here on the gunmetal hardware, it does have the VB logo on the back. And we've got a pink and green flower, more gold hardware. So you could just, you know, put one on one end, one on the other, and voila, you've got a bookmark charm. So this is the DIY bookmark charm. Next items up on the list is the washi, and y'all, for the first time last month with the Free Spirit washi, I bought extras from the kit. Not saying that I have anything against the extras, but as you guys know, I'm subscribed to so many different boxes and kits. I usually don't have the time or the space or the capacity for the extras when the extras go on sale, so I don't bother. But that Free Spirit washi, baby, that the neutral, the I can't even remember the name of it. Let me grab it. The abstract. This one, baby, I went back and got another roll of that because I already know I'm gonna tear through that. I likes that. But this washi is super cute as well. We'll see how it grows on me in the next few days before the extras go up on sale. But right now, this is speaking to me. They both are, really. Okay. So, we've got this 7.5 millimeter washi tape. We've got the florals and the vines, and it does have kind of like an ombre effect in the background. And then we have this floral floor with the blue background and the gold foil with the bees and the stars. And this is so pretty, y'all. It's different. Do you see that? That is so stinking pretty. So this is the Floral Garden and the gold floral washi tape in this month's box. The next item, y'all know, is my second favorite of the whole box. Stickers. I'm always here for. So again, the name of this kit this month is Primrose Garden. You'll always find that the name of the kit here, the month that it's for, and then here you see the Primrose Corners logo here so that you remember that it is a collab. Here is the mini deco sheet that we always get. Oh, I didn't even see that it said new paper. I felt it as soon as I picked it up. Tiffany, yes ma'am. Everything. This is nice. I likes the new paper. Oh, the stickers are on a new paper too. Whoo, child, let's get into this sticker book. So we have our full boxes here. I love this one. Grow Your Own Way. Bloom with Grace. Be True to You. Oh, look at the colors. This is so nice. I'm glad that the font kind of switched up a little bit. So we do have our gold foil, and I'm always here for that. I love this floral flag here. Some more full boxes, some clipboards. We have our quarter boxes down there, our half boxes with the gold foil. Y'all, this is pretty. So is this one. And our queen bee up here. Then we've got some headers with some new font. I do very much like that. We've got our double headers, double quarter boxes, however you'd like to see that. We've got our scalloped headers, and then here we have the full deco sheet. All of this, especially the swing. Next we have our checklists, our flags, our, ooh, y'all, do y'all see these florals? That is so cute. I love it. And I love the peach color with the gold and we've got our date covers, arrows, and then we have two of the tabs. And then the last sheet. Oh my goodness, that is a beautiful sticker. We have these double boxes and our hexagons. So this is the sticker book and the mini deco sheet. The next item is the transparent circle page flag set. Y'all, these colors, the colors just give you life. It's like last month we were all for the nudes and the moody, and now we are wake your behind up, okay? Y'all, love this blue, purple, what do you want to call it? Let's get it off so we can really see. It's definitely purple. And then we have this blue. And then we have this blush color. Yes. So this is the circle page flag set. The next item in the kit is the Vellum sticky note. Yes, yes, yes. I'm here for Vellum sticky notes, y'all. I don't know what happened all of a sudden that has me so obsessed with them. But Vellum, I know what happened. Rose colored days happened. That's what happened. So the vellum's pretty thick, you guys, and she did give us a tool to write on this month. We do have the gold foil and the florals to hug the edges. So this is the Vellum sticky note in this month's box. The next item up is the Vellum Die Cut Stickers. This is new, guys. I've never ever seen Vellum Die Cut Stickers. Again, I could just be missing out on life because I've seen die cuts, obviously. I've never seen Vellum die cuts. These are definitely something new. Let's get that out of there. Are you gonna come off? I just want to see it. Thank you. Oh, okay, that's the situation. We have a situation. So let's go through these so you guys can see them. That's what happened. The backing came off of this one. Get back on there. This is super interesting, y'all. I've never seen Vellum die cut stickers. Yes, essentially they are clear stickers, but it's interesting. They're much thinner. Anyway, okay. So we've got that one. We've got her, her, and her. And these florals are off of the paper and they're sticking to each other. Please don't damage it. Oh man, that's way off. It's gonna drive me crazy. And her. Oh y'all. These are pretty. These are the Vellum die cut stickers, y'all. Okay, y'all, next item up are the transparent stickers and the cards. Oh, okay, let's go through the stickers first. So we have the bar stickers, shape stickers 1, transparent shape stickers 2, we've got the icon stickers, we've got our corner stickers, we've got our word stickers or scripts, and then we have our open shapes. So let's stick those over here so we can look at these cards, baby. Y'all, I need to get a new chair. This thing is really acting up. So we have this Plans and Dreams with the floral. We've got our not Snow White. What am I thinking about? Our Beauty and the Beast situation here. We've got our Queen Bee and Bloom. So you guys know that you're seeing a little bit of the wrinkling. You need to peel the plastic off of these. They've been coated in this plastic to get through transit without being torn up, so you need to pull that off. But these are the transparent stickers and cards. Y'all, the next part is my favorite, pen of the month. Yes, of course, the name of this month's pen is Primrose Garden, titled after the kit. Oh, come on, open. Thank you. And it says that in the description, flower sequins are randomly scattered inside crystal chamber, which can cause some clumping of sequins and random placement. So, ooh, I can see the star sequins, or are they flowers? They're flowers. Y'all, this combination of these colors and these crystals is so pretty. So here is Primrose Garden, pen of the month. Next item in the kit, y'all, Tiffany really packed this kit full of everything this month. We have a journal enamel pen. So this is designed, obviously, by the owner of Primrose Garden. Come on out of there. And just says secrets. We have our journal, and it is a pen. It's not magnetic. So y'all, how cute is that? Obviously we have our VillaBeauTIFFul logo back there, and we are just ready to journal. Here is the journal enamel pen. The next item in the box is a bonus this month, and I believe was specifically put in for the Vellum sticky notes. We have this Uni Pen, and it says that it's an oil-based ink marking pen specifically for the sticky notes. So let's get them over here so we can see how they work. So it does have a very, very thin tip, as you can see. We got some smearing right as I hit this bottom line here, but there was no smearing up here. So we've got a pen to write on our sticky notes. So we did have another bonus item in the kit, but I don't think it's listed on the kit card. It was Knowing Tiffany. It was probably a last minute thing she decided to throw in. So we have a this week notepad. It is not sticky, and we just have the days of the week lined out here with the dolls that are also in the Vellum die cuts. So this is the bonus in the kit. And last but not least, we have our paper pack. Now, this part only comes if you ordered the paper pack. So you get 4 sheets of cardstock, 2 sheets of vellum. It is an additional somewhere around $6 or $7. Both, well, the cardstock is double-sided. Ooh. Yes, florals. That's pretty. And then the vellum, which is of course one-sided. And our florals. So this is the paper pack for the month. Alright y'all, so here is the April 2021 VB kit from VillaBeauTIFFul in collaboration with the Primrose Corner. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.